This amazing washing machine from Beko is an ideal solution for medium-sized households looking to get through their laundry as quickly as possible. It has an A++ energy rating, a fast 1400 RPM spin speed, and a medium-sized 9-kilogram drum, making it the perfect choice for your laundry needs. This model has the Daily Quick program, which is a rapid cycle that washes a full load in under half an hour. With a simple twist of the dial, you can wash an entire drum of items that aren't too heavily stained. So, no matter how big your wash load is, you can always have it clean in super quick time. Beko's ProSmart Inverter Motor is quieter, more energy efficient and longer lasting than normal motors. Because it uses frictionless magnets instead of noisy brushes to power the machine, it's great for open-plan living, as you can use it any time of the day, even when it's movie night. If you're looking for an incredibly energy-efficient washing machine with clever technology designed to make your life easier, then this Beko model is perfect for you.